Welcome to Komacut. We offer on-demand sheet metal fabrication for 1 to 100,000 units per order. At Komacut, we help you understand how the design and manufacture of parts will impact the cost calculation. When you upload a part to our system, we calculate the details and will share that information with you. You'll be able to change the material series, thickness, finish, specific finish options, quantity. By clicking the View Details link underneath the part thumbnail, you'll be able to see the part up close. You'll be able to see the specifications, such as fabrication processes, net weight, gross weight, and more. Lower down, you can also see details like the product type, laser cutting, deburring, and more. Under the Analysis tab, you'll see details such as hole size versus thickness, hole to edge, bend to radius, and more. Further down, you have analysis such as max product size, laser cutting, max bend length, min-max thread size. The Warning and Errors section will show any critical errors or warnings about the part. You'll get a full overview of critical information, the results, and what passes the analysis.